into more and more of a really like a rock and roll music program and everything going on in Central Iowa. We're combining the two here today, Jackie, because we have a rock and roll band here that really, when it comes to my entire radio career, when I was just starting, these guys were just getting started. So it's almost like we grew up with these guys. An amazing band is going to be over at the Iowa State Fair today on the Bud Light stage. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to want to turn up your TV and turn up the radio. Autograph is on the Great Day Sound stage right now. Hello, gentlemen. How are you?
Good, great.
We have some great musicians here, and from the band first started, this is kind of cool, Jackie. When they first started, correct me if I'm wrong, Steve and Randy, because you guys have been here since the onset. You guys were opening for Van Halen, and you weren't even signed yet. Is that true?
That's correct, yeah. We went out with them in
84, wasn't it?
Yeah, 84, January 18th of 84. I remember that because it was my birthday. So.
Oh, really?
Nice.
So that happened, yeah, exactly. So, yeah, we toured with them for a few months, and RCA saw us backstage, and they wanted to sign us. Actually, Warner Brothers, Epic, a bunch of labels wanted to sign us, but we ended up going with RCA. They offered us the best deal.
Yeah, so Steve, you've been there from the beginning. Randy, you've been hanging around for a while. Things have changed a little bit, haven't they?
Yeah, a lot. The record business is not there anymore. So we're doing a lot of stuff ourselves right now.
Yeah, so you have to. Were you relying on the internet, obviously now a lot?
Yes.
And everything else.
We're releasing new songs on iTunes, and we're releasing an EP that'll be coming out probably at the beginning of the year, the end of this year or the beginning of next year.
But you guys already had 2 singles this year, though, right?
Yes.
Tell everybody about those 2 singles real quick.
Well, the first one was You Are Us, We Are You. That's about the audience being inclusive in our show and everything, and the appreciation for the fans. And then the second one, basically, what was the name of the second one? Oh, I Lost My Mind in America.
And you lost your mind on Great Day just now.
I just lost my memory from last night. So.
Well, that is so cool. But you guys, again, thank you so much for being here. You're going to be on stage tonight just rocking this joint unlike anybody else has ever rocked this place. And I have the distinct honor of saying, ladies and gentlemen, on the Great Day Sound stage, turn up your TV and turn up your radio. It's Autograph.
the radio. I need the music. Give me some more. Turn up the radio. I wanna feel it. Got to give me some more. Turn up the radio. I wanna feel it. Got to give me some more.
Gentlemen, Autograph live on a great day. They are going to be on the Bud Light stage tonight, 8 p.m. You don't want to miss it. This is where everybody's going to be going at 8 o'clock tonight. Sorry, Grandstand Show. They're all going to go over to the Bud Light stage here later on tonight. You guys are awesome. I want to introduce the band because, you know, Steve and Randy, you guys have been there from the get-go, but tell everybody who is with you here today, so make sure we have all the players.
We have Mark Whelan down at the end down here. He is our new drummer, doing a fantastic job. Of course, there's Randy on bass right here. You know, he's been with it since October of '83. Same with me. And this is Simon Daniels, great new singer, and just been doing a fantastic job. And I'm Steve Lynch, the lead guitar player.
There you go. It brought back so many memories. I can just see myself sitting in the control room with the headphones on, my ears almost bleeding from turning that song up so loud. But I was just telling you guys off the air, I got a new car. It had XM radio in it, and I'm just playing with XM radio. Hair Nation came on. The second song I ever listened to on Hair Nation. I hit the button. I go, I don't know if I'm gonna like this XM radio. Never thought I'd ever pay for radio, of all things. Second song that came on, came across Autograph, Blondes in Black Cars. I went, oh, this is going to be good. And again, cranked it, turned it to 11, not 10, to 11. So you guys are going to be playing tonight. You obviously have that song in your set.
Yes. Oh, yes.
I was going to say, how have the fans been, guys? You've been around for a long time. You're still rocking it. You're rocking it before 10 a.m. on our stage, so I can only imagine what tonight at 8 o'clock is going to be like. But what can you say about your fans up to this point?
The fans have just been amazing, and it's not only the old fans that have come back for nostalgia and to relive that time, you know, but it's also a lot of new fans. And a lot of new fans love the new songs that we have out, and it's just, we see a really wide variety of ages, and you know, it's really nice to see that out there. And younger people singing along with our songs, and I think that, you know, like you mentioned, like Hair Nation and stations like that put us in heavy rotation and make this type of music popular again.
Did you guys think after all this time, after 30-some years, you guys would still be cranking out the tunes like this?
Had no idea.
No. No. Feels great though, doesn't it, Randy?
It really
is. After 25 years, we got talked into it. You know, we met each other at the NAMM show in 2011, and we hadn't seen each other for 22 years. Maybe?
Yeah, 22 years.
And
wow.
Dude,
We got to do this again.
Yeah,
Do this again.
That's all you have to say, dude.
he did say dude, yeah.
Baby.
Well, Steve and Randy and Simon and Mark, thank you guys
Yes,
for
thank
getting
you
up
so
early
much.
and coming in. We know you're going to have a late night here tonight. We do appreciate your time here. And it was just so cool having you on the show. We really appreciate it.
Well, we're going back to bed, too. You know?
We are too, so we can go watch you tonight.
Yeah, but
Just
we're
saying.
not going to let you guys out of here. You're not going to come all this way and just play one song.
Okay.
You guys have to play another one.
You got it.
I think you know which one we're kind of leaning toward.
Yes.
All right.
The second one you mentioned.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is Autograph once again on the Great Days Soundstage. We'll be right back.